Have you ever been hit with an unexpected bill, like a sudden house repair, and felt a wave of panic and confusion? Now, imagine if that bill was just a minor inconvenience, something you could pay without batting an eye. That's what being financially free feels like. Unexpected costs or emergencies are just minor bumps in the road and don't affect your finances. Wouldn't it be great to have that peace of mind? To truly be in charge of your money and make decisions without limitations. Most crave this freedom, but achieving it can feel intimidating, especially without guidance. That is why we've put together 10 actionable steps to guide you. So like and subscribe, and let's get down to it. Step number 1. Know your current financial situation. The first step towards financial freedom is understanding your current financial status. This involves documenting both what you own and what you owe. Think of it as setting your baseline. After all, how can you chart a journey without knowing your starting point? It might be disheartening to discover the amount of debt you're in or realize that your savings are minimal. However, acknowledging this is a pivotal step forward. Begin by listing all your debts: mortgages, credit card balances, student loans, car loans, and money you might have borrowed from friends or relatives. Once you've cataloged everything, calculate the total. If the overall debt is considerable, do not panic. Later in this video, I'll delve deeper into how you can manage and reduce it. On the other hand, if your debt is little, that's excellent news. Aim to keep it that way. After evaluating your debt, compile your assets. This should include funds in savings accounts, stocks, retirement plans, and other investments. Also, take into account regular income sources such as your monthly salary or earnings from side gigs. Grasping your current financial status acts as a compass, directing your financial decisions and ensuring you stay on course to achieve your goals and aspirations. After assessing your current financial situation, it's imperative for you to follow the next step. Step number 2. Set realistic financial goals. Setting goals is crucial for success in any aspect of life, and this is particularly true for finances. When discussing financial goals, it's not merely about having a specific amount of money you'd like to have in your bank account. Things like eliminating debt or saving for retirement need to be considered as they provide direction and purpose. And if you'd like to discuss retirement and your finances with a licensed financial advisor, and for free by the way, I have partnered with Money Pickle to make this happen. So all you have to do is use the link in my description and book a time you're free. It is that simple. Now, moving on. You should ask yourself, how much money do I want to have in the future? While short-term goals cater to your immediate needs, long-term planning lays the foundation for genuine financial security. For instance, if you aim to retire early by the age of 35, you should begin dedicating a significant portion of your monthly income to savings and investments now. However, before delving into planning, assess your current financial priorities. For example, are they short-term, such as purchasing your dream car or launching a business? Or are they long-term, like retiring comfortably or financing your child's college education? After identifying these objectives, estimate the resources and time needed to achieve them. And remember, detailed planning is essential, whether you need the funds in 5, 10, or 30 years. Once you've determined how you wish to allocate your money, it's important for you to follow the next step. Step number 3. Create a monthly budget. Budgeting is important. You see, without a budget, you might reach month's end wondering where all your money went. Eventually, this lack of financial oversight can steer you towards instability rather than freedom. True financial freedom is not about having money to spend recklessly. It's about being able to make decisions without financial restrictions. Staying within a budget ensures you're prepared for unexpected expenses and your finances are always in check. A popular budgeting strategy is the 50-30-20 rule, which is a rule we made an entire video about on the channel, and it's part of my finance course, which you can get access to when you become a member. So check that out. But for now, all you need to know is that with the 50-30-20 rule, 50% of your monthly income goes to needs, 30% to wants, and 20% to savings or debt repayment. So even if your financial situation does improve, keep budgeting. As your income changes, so might your expenses. So always be prepared. Remember, achieving financial freedom requires personal will. Just as big accomplishments come from dedication and planning, planning, securing financial stability requires deliberate actions like budgeting. Thankfully, there are plenty of online tools to help you get started. Step number 4. Get rid of your debts. To achieve true financial freedom, clearing your debts is crucial. Think of it this way. Eliminating your debts can save thousands of dollars that would otherwise be wasted on interest. If you have debts like credit card bills, student loans, or car loans, it is time to kick them to the curb. Your income is your most powerful tool for building wealth, but if a big chunk goes to debt payments every month, you can't fully enjoy your money. So, understand that paying down your debt not only brings peace of mind, but also opens doors to new financial opportunities, like better credit options or reducing borrowing costs and fees. To reduce your debts efficiently, first you need to figure out how much debt you have. This means taking stock of all your debts. You can manually list them in a spreadsheet or use a free financial app. It's crucial to know the specifics such as the due dates, monthly payments, and interest rates. Once you have a clear overview, there are two popular debt repayment strategies to consider: the debt snowball and the debt avalanche. The debt snowball method focuses on paying off the smallest debts first, while the debt avalanche aims to clear debts with the highest interest rates first. Interestingly, a study from Northwestern University found that people who use the debt snowball method are more likely to clear their debts faster, even though it doesn't make the most economic sense. However, the most effective debt repayment strategy aligns with your motivation and financial situation. Everyone's journey is unique, so choose a plan that you can stick with consistently. After all, the ultimate goal is to reduce and eventually eliminate your debt. Step number 5. Create automatic savings. Eliminating debt is important, but so is saving for your future. And what does that mean? Well, it means always prioritizing setting aside money for savings in your budget. So, consider getting into your employer's retirement plan, especially if they offer a matching contribution, which is essentially free money. Also, consider automatic transfers into an emergency fund for unforeseen expenses, and consider regular contributions to a brokerage account or something similar. To ensure you save consistently, arrange for transfers to your emergency and retirement funds the day you receive your paycheck, so you're less tempted to spend it. And keep in mind, the recommended amount to save in an emergency fund depends on your individual circumstances. Also, while tax-advantaged retirement accounts offer great benefits, they can be restrictive regarding withdrawals, so they shouldn't be your only source of emergency funds. Step number 6. Invest strategically, not randomly. Investing is a thoughtful process that goes beyond simply choosing stocks at random. To truly benefit from the market, it's essential to research and make informed decisions. And while investing and trading can be thrilling, there's safety in diversifying. One way is through index funds, which offer exposure to numerous companies, thereby reducing risk. Beyond stocks, consider diversifying into real estate or precious metals like gold. Starting early is also crucial. For example, a 10% return on an investment made in your 20s could amount to $64,000 over 2 decades. But if you start 10 years later, you'll potentially earn just $7,500 over the same period due to missed growth opportunities. Remember that market fluctuations are natural, so don't be discouraged by temporary downturns. Historically, consistent investing has led to wealth growth. It's also important to note that while experts like Warren Buffett have unique strategies, they might not suit everyone, especially beginners. Instead, consider using beginner-friendly online brokerage platforms, which provide education, portfolio building tools, and options for regular contributions. If you're uncertain about navigating these platforms or crafting your investment strategy, ask for help. Maybe this can be one of the questions you ask when you book your free call with Money Pickle. Step number 7. Make health a priority. Eating healthy and exercising regularly is not only good for your body, but also for your finances. Think of it this way. When we take care of something, it tends to last longer, and this applies to our health too. Taking excellent care of your physical health can save you money in the long run. This means going for regular doctor and dentist checkups and following medical advice. Even simple changes in daily habits like eating nutritious foods and staying active can prevent or manage many health issues. On the flip side, neglecting your health can hit your wallet hard. For instance, if you exhaust your allotted sick days at work, any further absences might go unpaid. Furthermore, health issues tied to poor diet can raise insurance costs, and severe health problems could even force you to retire early, resulting in a reduced monthly income. Therefore, it's a no-brainer that by taking care of your health, you also protect your future finances. Step number 8. Get the right insurance in place. You might be curious, how does insurance help with financial security? Think of it like a sports game. In sports, teams need both good offense and good defense. Insurance is like having a solid defense for your money. It's a shield against unexpected events that can put your finances at risk. Without appropriate insurance coverage, one bad accident or lawsuit could jeopardize everything you've worked hard to build over the years. While budgeting and saving help you grow your money, insurance makes sure you don't lose it. To fully protect your money, you should consider several important types of insurance, such as insurance for life, cars, homes or apartments, health, long-term disability, long-term care, identity theft, and an extra layer of insurance called an umbrella policy. Insurance can be tricky to understand, so if you are unsure about which insurance is best for you, it is a good idea to talk to an insurance expert. They can help you find the right coverage for your situation without making you spend more than needed. Step number 9. Get educated on financial freedom. Keep learning about money matters. It's essential to stay updated on changes in tax laws so you can make the most of your deductions every year. Also, pay attention to financial news, especially updates about the stock market, and do not hesitate to adjust your investment portfolio if needed. Remember, being informed can help protect you from scams. Fraudsters often try to trick naive investors. Actively making decisions about your money and investment can feel overwhelming at times. As you accumulate wealth, whether in the form of liquid or fixed assets, it becomes even more critical to manage it wisely. So to help navigate this complexity, consult a financial advisor or check out Money Pickle using the link in the description. They can provide guidance and ensure you continue making informed decisions that align with your financial goals. Step number 10. Be smart about your career choice. As I said before, your income is a powerful tool in building wealth. Therefore, your career choice plays a crucial role in your financial journey. If you're in a job that's going nowhere and it's making you unhappy, consider a change. Aim for a job that aligns with your financial goals and brings you joy. When weighing your options, consider where you want to be 10 years later and choose a job that aligns with that vision. Starting with a salary that's less than ideal is okay, as long as there's a chance for you to earn more as you gain skills and become more valuable to the company. Finding a job that lets you grow personally and professionally is also essential. Being in a stagnant position can hinder both your job satisfaction and financial growth. Make sure you enjoy your job too. Look for a position that matches your interests and uses your talents. Also, don't forget to check if the job offers benefits like retirement savings and health insurance options, as these can significantly influence your financial well-being. Remember, your career choice can make or break your long-term financial plans, so give it the thoughtful consideration it deserves. Well, that brings us to the end of the video. Thank you for watching and staying with me till the end. Remember to get your free financial consultation with Money Pickle. Until next time, have a great day.